Welcome to the heart of southern Italy's Christmas spirit, where every dessert is a celebration of love, tradition, and festivity. From the sweet honey-coated strufoli to the most famous and beloved desserts from Sicily, each dessert tells a story of the region's rich culinary heritage. These desserts are as much about the joy of sharing as they are about their rich, indulgent flavors. Each bite carries the essence of a holiday season filled with family, laughter, and the warmth of the Mediterranean. Join us in savoring these timeless sweets, lovingly prepared for generations, and let the magic of southern Italy fill your heart and home this Christmas. Strufoli. A symbol of southern Italian Christmas cheer, strufoli is a festive treat made of crispy fried dough balls coated in honey and decorated with colorful sprinkles. Traditionally served in a wreath or pyramid shape, this dessert is as delightful to look at as it is to eat. BOCCONOTTI. BOCCONOTTI are charming, small pastries filled with jam, ricotta, or chocolate originating from Calabria and Apulia. Their buttery crust and sweet fillings make them a beloved holiday treat. Pignoli is popular at Christmas and known for their softy chew center texture and their distinctive aromatic flavor thanks to the key ingredient, pine nuts. Known as pignoli in Italian, pignoli cookies are beloved for their sweet yet subtly nutty taste and for the way they melt in your mouth. They're a favorite at Italian holiday tables. Mostaccioli. Soft diamond-shaped cookies with a blend of cocoa, honey, and warm spices. Mostaccioli are a Campanian Christmas staple. Often dipped in chocolate, they are both comforting and indulgent. Cannoli, a Sicilian delight. Cannoli are one of the most famous and beloved desserts from Sicily, cherished for their crisp golden pastry shell and sweet, creamy filling. Traditionally, the filling is made with ricotta cheese, flavored with vanilla, and often enriched with chocolate chips, candied fruit, or pistachios. Cannoli are usually served as a celebratory treat, especially around Christmas and other special occasions. These southern Italian desserts are perfect for bringing festive, traditional flavors to your Christmas celebrations. Enjoy making and sharing them with loved ones. Buon Natale!